Welcome. How can you recognize signs for change? Today, I want to focus on recognizing critical signs that indicate that your organization may need change. Look out for some important things. For example, stagnation in performance, a drop in employee morale, or increasing customer complaints. These warning signs often reveal underlying issues that, if left unaddressed, can hinder growth and innovation. Additionally, as a leader, I want to encourage you to pay attention to shifts in market trends or competitive business environment. If your organization struggles to adapt, it's time to reassess your strategies. Embracing change is essential for sustainability and success. So, recognize these signs and take proactive steps towards your transformation. I want you to start thinking about this. Do you need to review your business system or your organizational structure? Do you have the right training systems for your people, whether it's a for-profit organization or not-for-profit organization? When people grow, organizations flourish. So, do you have a training system? Do you have a growth culture that enables your people to grow and flourish? These are important things for you to consider. You need to review what is currently going on. You need to listen to the people. When people keep quiet, trust me, as a leader, it doesn't help you in increasing the productivity or leading well. Always remember, everyone deserves to be led well. And here is the question: are you leading your people well? Are you creating the environment they need to take risk, calculated risk? Do you have the environment for them to fail, to learn, to review, to improve, and then to make things better? This kind of environment is very important to innovate and to 10x your productivity. Do you have that environment today? Do you have the systems that support growth? So, if you are observing some of these factors in your organization, then it's time for you to reassess your strategies and check if what you have today is helping you to achieve your goals and to get to that place that you have in your heart as a vision. Visit our website today. We want to support you. Recently, we launched Wale Adekanla Change Leadership Model. And you can learn more about this on our website. We want to support you. We want to help you to navigate this difficult time. We want to help you to create the right systems, the right structures. We're going to start with an assessment to know exactly your current situation, to know where you are. And then we will recommend some strategies that you can follow to make things better. We want to be by your side to achieve your goals, to 10x your productivity, and to make things better. Reach out to us today and let's start this great journey together.